What's going on? What's going on YouTube? You guys know every time you guys see that camera, that video notification, I got something new coming up. This is my 2023 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is not a 4x4. This is a 4x2. I don't need it. I don't do nothing 4x4. I don't do no off-roading. What we got here, it's stock wheels, and she's sitting on 35 11 and a half R20s, and these are the Venom Power Terra XT. I heard a lot of people saying that you can't fit this size of tires. You can. The only thing I did was I did a Motofab 2.5-inch lift or leveling kit, you can call it that. And then I was able to go ahead and put some 35s. I got no rubbing. I didn't have to delete nothing, no cutting, no nothing at all. And I'm a big guy, and I mean, I'm able to go through, you know, I don't go mudding, like I said, I don't do none of that, but this is how I got her already, you know, 2.5-inch lift, and that's how you see it at the front. I put the lettering in the front, blue, you know, doing little things to it, you know. Next thing I'm gonna be doing to this is, I'm gonna be doing the interior, and I'm gonna do some music, and then she's gonna stay like that, because I like the way she looks. I don't know, you guys tell me what you guys think. I got one of those, roll-up bed covers. Got one of those on there, and you know, I just like the way it looks like this. To me, this is perfect. I know there's a lot of guys that's gonna give me hate. This is a 4-cylinder turbo. I love the way she rides. I love how much I get in gas. This didn't throw off anything as far as like the handling of the truck. If you go to a good spot to get the balancing done, it could get done. I just got her on the highway the other day, and yeah, she was doing great. I was doing 80 miles per hour, no problems at all. So you just got to go to someone reputable, someone who works on trucks and Jeeps, and that's what I did. I went to a local place here in St. Cloud. You know, I wouldn't go to like a Firestone or something like that. If you guys want to get it done, you know, all the stuff I done to the truck, pretty much you could get all of this online. I ordered my tires, took them to get, you know, balanced, mounted, and then the Motofab, I had a friend of mine who installed it. Like I said, it's a 2.5. So in the front, I will be upgrading. I forgot to say that. In the front, I will be upgrading the upper control arms. In the rear, what I did was that the factory, when you do the 2.5, the factory shocks in the back, they'll be extended to the max. So what I did was I ordered me some Rough Country N3. I don't know if you guys can see it from there, but I added some Rough Country N3 shocks, and I mean, she's back to factory. So it feels good when I'm going over speed bumps and whatnot. But you guys tell me, comment below. Like I always tell you guys, stay safe. Be good to someone. Forgive people. Forgiveness is not for them. Forgiveness is for yourself. You free yourself from that burden. You guys tell me what you think. I did the 2 tones on the top, wrapped it. My son did that for me in black. So I don't know. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think. All right. God bless everyone. Have a wonderful day.